All right, so we're going to begin with finger number 1 on A and finger number 4 on D. And this will actually get all of our fingers where they're supposed to be for our first hand position. So let's try out that first pattern. We have A, D, A, D, E. Can you play that with me one more time? A, D, A, D, E. Very good. Now we're going to do C sharp. So this black key that starts the set of 2 black keys. And we're going to play it with finger number 3. Now when we play this black key, we want to make sure we're using the tip of our finger and the very edge of the black key so that way our fingers don't get stuck. So it still keeps everything smooth. So let's play that first pattern again and then add in C sharp just after it. A, D, A, D, E, C sharp. Very good. Now let's do that one more time and add in an extra part of the pattern, which will go back down to A. Ooh, did you notice a pattern by chance? So this one goes up, same, up. Now this one, we're going to start on C sharp, of course, instead of D, but let's see what it does. Up. Ooh, it's the same. Up, same, up, up. Interesting. So we've got that going on. Let's put all of that together. Okay, now this is where our hand position is going to do a movement. So instead of just playing B with finger number 2, we're actually going to move finger number 5 to play on B. And then we're just going to go down. And then play finger number 2 on F sharp. Whoa! And so same thing. We want to use the pad of our finger, the very tip of it, on the edge of the black note. Let's try this hand position one more time. So we've got B, A, G, G, F sharp. Ooh. Okay, now this hand position has a really awesome part at the end of it, and I'm going to show it to you, and then I'll explain it. Whoa! Did you see how finger number 2 played both F sharp and D? So we're just going to do this little swoop over, swoop, just like this. Whoa. So when you do it, make sure you're not bending your wrist because that will actually cause some injury. But you want to keep your wrist still and just swoop. So practice that a few times, going from F sharp to E to D. And just kind of crawl over each other. And this is where it's incredibly important to play with the tip part of your pointer finger, finger number 2, on the very edge of that black note. Try that one more time. Okay, let's try that entire hand position, starting up here on B. B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Okay, now let's put all of this together and then we will break it into 2 sections one more time. So we're going to start on A with finger number 1 and D with finger number 4. Okay, let's do finger number 1. Or not finger number 1, section number 1, one more time. So that's the first part starting on A. Very nice. Now here's our next section where our hand moves down. Finger number 5 is on B, and finger number 2 is on F sharp. Ready, set, go. Okay, and let's do the second section one more time, and then let's put it all together. Okay, let's put it all together, and then the second time I play it all together, I will play it at speed. All right, so now let's play it how fast it should be played. Okay, so if you noticed, I played it 2 times, both patterns twice, and the second time I didn't begin with A. When you start the song, you have an introduction note. But the actual first note is D. So when you play it the second time, you're going to skip over A. So let's play it through 2 times and watch how that happens and how my hand moves back to our original hand position. Very